How do you decide whether to give your child the MMR vaccine? My journey began at the school gates, just like any other day. But little did I know, it would lead me to make a decision that would impact my child's future. It was a simple conversation with another parent that got me thinking. Sarah mentioned the MMR vaccine. Rob and Sarah are lucky they can chat to each other. Sometimes it's difficult as a single parent to gauge what I should be doing. I needed to understand what the MMR vaccine was all about. What was it for? And was it safe for Samir? How do I know which sources to trust on the internet? My friends became my sounding board. We shared our concerns and questions about the vaccine. They were really reassuring about getting it. Talking to healthcare professionals was crucial. GPs always make time to discuss vaccinations. I needed to know if the vaccine was safe for my 2-year-old. She told me there's clear evidence that there's no link between the vaccine and autism.
Today I wanted to talk about the myth that the vaccine causes autism that came from the study of the 90s that has subsequently been disproved. There were all sorts of problems in that study, conflict of interest and manipulated data. The doctor that conducted the study even lost their medical license. I do what I can to give the parents the real facts.
My faith plays a significant role in my life. I reached out to my local imam to address my concerns about the vaccine's halal status, and he was so reassuring.
Preservation of life and health is one of the higher objectives of Islam. As an imam, I want to emphasize that our faith encourages us to protect ourselves and our children from preventable diseases while upholding our values. I encourage you to take the MMR vaccination and request the Pyrex, a MMR vaccine without gelatine. In the event no alternatives are available, one can take a gelatine vaccination. This aligns with our core Islamic teachings, which prioritize the greater good and well-being.
I talked to the professionals, but hearing from other parents who had already made the choice to vaccinate their kids was reassuring. It gave me confidence. And with each conversation and every bit of information, I grew more certain of my decision. How do you decide whether to give your child the MMR vaccine? On the day of Samir's vaccination, I knew I was making the right choice for his health and future. The MMR vaccine protects against measles, mumps, and rubella, not just for Samir, but the wider community. It's safe, halal, and essential for our children's well-being. My journey was one of discovery, a journey of love for my child and my community. It taught me that vaccination is a responsible choice, ensuring a healthier future for our children.